Good afternoon, everyone. Hope everyone's having a nice Saturday. And coming to or available to a vending machine, restaurant, bank nearest you is the new 2018 Minnesota Voyageurs quarter. And this is part of the America the Beautiful National Park program of commemorative quarters. So what I have here is a Denver version of this coin. I ended up getting about 8 of them. So I wanted to provide my honest assessment, my review of the quarter, and I have to say it's probably one of my favorite as in terms of the visuals of it. I think the thing I like most is you have this loon right here, which is pretty cool. It's set in the foreground with the trees and the rock face wall right here, and just the calmness of the water. They didn't put a lot of waves or anything on there, but all in all, this has got to be probably one of my favorite in the last couple years. I haven't been too crazy on these, but I think as these are released, I'm going to provide, kind of like my review. Of course, it's my opinion. Others will have various other opinions as well, and the important thing is, we know what the coin looks like, and so this is the, I believe, the third coin in the series of 5 for the year that's released. Of course, I'm not at all, a fan of this. The satin look looks okay if it's nice and clean. This one already has like a bag mark right here on Washington's chin, but nonetheless, yeah, a new addition to the National Parks Service program. There's a few more years left in this program, and overall, I've enjoyed it. I think, by and large, my favorites have been the Hawaii volcanoes. Has been pretty cool. Vicksburg at the time was really neat. It was different, and if you compare that quarter design to all the other ones that have been made up to this point, it's all a little different because it has that warship on there. So that's especially cool. But really cool looking coin here. 2018 Minnesota Voyageurs National Park quarter. Put one in your album today. I have a few that I'll look through. I do have a few albums of national parks that I'm going to put one of these in there. But anyways, that is my review of the day. If you like the content, go ahead and give me a great big like. I'm not guaranteeing the future value of any of these coins, although they are neat. I think the market will set the value of the coins, being that the U.S. Mint has made hundreds of millions of these. We won't see any sort of like spike adjustment in price on the singular coin level, unless it grades out like a Mint State 70 or 69 or whatever the top end grade for these are. Those coins sell for $1,000 or $2,000. But anyways, it was a lot of fun. Subscribe, Blue Ridge Silverhound, and you'll see all the new videos as they come out. Thanks again, guys. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. I'll see you.